Who triggered that crisis? Who triggered this unprecedented scale of displacement in Manipur? It's the radical groups from the Meitei community, from the majority community. The radical groups which affected mass lynchings, mass violation of the women and girls, and killings of and targeted killings of residences whose place of residences, place of work, place of worship, etc. were identified in advance, and they were selectively picked up. Government are part of the government machinery, they are state functionaries. Not a single person, not single one of such persons has either been arrested or has been further stopped, further apprehended from doing such activities or from repeating such activities. In fact, they are being encouraged by the state government by the elements within the state government to carry out further such violations of human rights of Kuki-Zo tribal. For example, what has been happening in Moreh for the last 4 or 5 days is just a continuation of what happened in Imphal earlier during the first week of May, is what is being repeated now in Moreh, and today we are sitting at 6 months of starting of this violence. The same what happened in what was perpetrated in Imphal is being perpetrated in Moreh against the Kuki-Zo people, and they are the same radicals, same Meitei radical groups which are perpetrating this violence and which are being aided by the state government, because the radical groups who disguise themselves as Manipur police were stopped from entering Moreh earlier, and that a protest was organized and roads were blocked so that the state police the radicals who are masquerading as state police are not allowed to enter Moreh. So the state government circumvented the blockade and airdropped all of them disguised as Manipur police, and they have been perpetrating loot, violence and displacement against the Kuki-Zo people in Moreh. As of now, as we are sitting here, their Kuki-Zo people have been turned refugees in their own homes, own district, own villages. They have been forced to take shelter in army camps, and this has been done either by the state police or by the radicals. This is stark violation of human rights, and this has not been challenged properly. State government has not taken, neither the state government nor the central government has taken effective steps. Otherwise, this has been seen earlier how any kind of violence can be stopped anywhere in the country within 24 to 48 hours. The central forces and in fact every security force knows how to do that. If they had they been sincere, had the government been sincere, they would have taken those steps, which steps have not been taken, and the government needs to be called out. And maximum burden and maximum responsibility, maximum accountability lies with the government, not with the people. And what they are trying to portray is that it's the people who have been suffering are the people who are responsible, which are plain lies. The people who are affecting this, who are effecting this violence are different people, and they are being supported by state government, and every day false narrative is coming up in the media, which is well rehearsed, prepared in advance, and it started appearing from day one. So state government's narrative cannot be believed, whether it is appearing in the media or it is being projected before the courts of law. It has to be countered in both the places, in public domain as well as in the courts of law, so that justice can be served and this violation of human rights can be put a stop to. Thank you very much. I wish more and maximum strength to the Kuki-Zo people to fight this out, to resist this violation of human rights. Thank you.
Homeland on!
Death!
Homeland on!
Death!
Homeland on! Homeland on!
Land!
Young boys and girls, children who are supposed to go to school, why did they go back home with red clothes, torn clothes? They are selling vegetables. I get so emotional whenever I say this. Mind you, is this human rights?
No!
They have the right to go for school, to go to school, to be educated, you know, and they end up selling vegetables door to door. What is this? Who caused all this? Don't we deserve our own land? We deserve our own land, right?
Yes!
So come on, let's hear once again. Homeland on! Homeland on!
Land!
Homeland on! Okay, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Going over to the next program.
说你靠我家里，做事對關無干聽，成天嘅款不大嘅，你都也忙我意。龙來路遠，我只算嘞。我笑望你，望到你啊。我說我中國我望你嘞，天天。
how they died and how they were killed, how they were tortured. The Arambai Tengol, Meitei Lipun. But today we should hold our heads high and then say to ourselves that we will not let their death go in vain. We will fight and we will defeat the evils, because the evil forces can be defeated by us easily. Believe in ourselves that we can defeat them. So now one by one we have. She belonged to a family who are quite affluent. When you talk of the tribal community, because her father and her grandfather were running a hardware store. And she was also one of the first girl among the Paite community to study in Don Bosco School. But in the 6th grade, what happened was that she started experiencing maniac episode, which were diagnosed by doctor as schizophrenia. From the 2023, when she was on her way to my house in Paiteveng. As it was her routine, she used to come to visit us whenever she lacked something in her home, be it rice or provision for her. She used to come and ask also for money. So because of her delusion that time and not knowing, in 6th July there was a full moon, and then her condition, her situation used to be affected by the moon. Whenever there is a full moon day, she used to become more and more disabled. So she was under illusion that we were still living in Paiteveng when she came to visit us.
We can be proud on, then obviously we can be together. We don't have anything which is individual to us. That's what is needed right now. If you want to survive, we have to unite. And about humanity,
Stop human rights violation! Protect Cookies Home from!
Louder.
Protect Cookies Home from! Protect Cookies Home from! Separate administration!
Louder.
They got the hope.
brother, see how he is tied to.
Sing out your fear.
She's been robbed and lied to.
She's been robbing lies.
Still holds a candle
Still holds a candle.
without a flame.
Without a flame.
Carry your candle.
Carry your candle. Run through the darkness. Seek out the lonely. Dark times for all to see. Make your candle. Go light your world. Take your candle. Whose heart of
the one and living God.
उज्जल जलदित रंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय है भारत भाग विधाता जय है जय है जय है जय 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 है